There's Marvy under there, changing oil. I got me some new sneakers on my truck. Look at that. What are they called, Marv? Sumitomos? Oh, ooh. Look at that, fighter jets. Ooh, that's cool, look at that. Wow. Woo, man, he's delivering the mail, Marv.
They're getting ready for something.
Ah, they always do that. They just fly maneuvers up here. We usually see the, I haven't seen them in a while, but the in-flight fueling. They do that up here, so if they crash, they don't kill nobody because there ain't nothing around up here. Look at that, huh? That come out good. Got our little shummy on there. He's talking about if we ever wanted to make it hydraulic, put a boss up here with a hydraulic cylinder and make it a hydraulic thumb if we wanted to. But for now, it's good enough. That'll work great. It's a nice looking rig. She's stout looking, ain't she, Marv? Huh? It's a nice looking thumb. That whole setup for $1,250 bucks. I thought that was a pretty good deal. I don't know what a new one would be, but probably considerably more. Somebody, whatever brand that is, they really did a nice job building it. Stout. Marvy's servicing her up. Changing the oil, the air filters, and all that happy horse shit. Alright, I'm gonna do a little work on my truck. Gotta put a mud flap back on, it fell off. Help him get this serviced up, get it out of here. There he is. There's the man of the hour. Are you having fun yet? Nah. Lovely weather. Lovely weather if you're a freaking duck. Oh man, it was gushing. It's coming this way. Just dried out nice. So much for that.
You can't have that.
Oh hell no. Can't have that. I don't know.
Be a duck.
Yep, an otter maybe. Alright, ta-ta.